In today's cloud-native world, your team is running applications made up of dozens of services across multiple teams and environments. And when requests start to slow down or inevitably fail, your team needs to know where it started and why fast. But today, correlating metrics, logs, and traces still takes a lot of time and causes mental fatigue for your team, slowing everything down. Grafana Cloud's application observability is built to change that. It brings all of your telemetry into one unified place so your team can see how every service is performing in real time and how they depend on each other. The service inventory view gives you a quick read on your whole system and highlights trends. You can drill into any individual service to get a unified view of key metrics derived from your telemetry, and even how they communicate with other services through traces all in one view. The service map shows how your components actually connect, making it easier to spot slow request paths or dependencies under strain. Together, these views give your team a clear, shared understanding of how your application behaves without guesswork. And when that observability data is then unified by the knowledge graph, this is where things really start to change. Built on top of your application signals, the knowledge graph automatically maps relationships across your services, containers, databases, and infrastructure all in real time. This means that instead of writing complex queries or switching dashboards, your team gets a single searchable view of how everything fits together. As data flows in, the knowledge graph translates everything into clear, consistent health signals, so every service is measured properly. It highlights what's unusual, recognizes common failure patterns, and guides your team to root cause without the alert fatigue that usually occurs. By enabling your team to directly connect performance issues to the services and infrastructure involved, the flow from broken to solved becomes a lot faster and gives you more confidence and context along the way. So go get started with Grafana Cloud for free today and take some of the guesswork off your team's plate.